Okay, so here we are. Argos website, one of the first, I believe, big retailers to sell plug-in balcony solar with ground mount in a bundle. Everything you need, plug it in. But look at the prices. Oh my God. For one panel. Some of these are for one panel. Look, a 460 watt with an inverter, 849. Oh my Jesus Christ. You're never gonna pay that back. That's gonna take a while to pay off. I'm telling you. Although I can't work out, they've got one next here. It's 515 watts. The only different, it's a ground mount. This is a hybrid mount, but it's like £250 cheaper. I don't really understand that. But if you go bigger panel, well, actually two, 460. That's a bit more, but 890 you can go in two panels. Probably with still an 800 watt inverter, 849. Still a lot of money. UK sold 1260 watts, so going for some big panels here, 989. Still be an 800 watt inverter. And finally down the bottom here, there's a 1030 set of panels, 899 with free delivery. Thank God they're free delivery. I mean, you wouldn't want to pay for delivery as well when you're paying £800 for a solar panel with a micro inverter. I've just got to click into this to have a look at it. It's crazy. So, assembled in Britain. Assembled. That means put together in a box. 3 pieces. Some questions on here. We've got some images. It's one panel. There's the back of the inverter. But when you look at the size of the panel, it's the same size as a normal panel you could buy from City Plumbing. 1762 by 1134. 25 kilowatt weight. These, I believe, are bifacials. Yeah, inverter, mount, panel. That's it. Easy to install. You get an app with it. Do's and don'ts. It's pretty simple, really. It's got Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, it's got smartphone. You get a 4-meter AC cable. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Ballast required, not included. Not suitable for balconies. Ground mounted. The weight is 41,000 grams. There you go. 41 kilos. Are you sure? For one panel? I'm not even going to view the PDFs. £849. £849. Let's look at another one. Let's look at this one. This cheaper one. You're not going to get it till late October. Estimated delivery, late October. That's handy. Might as well just say November. I think the other one was it was September. The more money one was September, to be honest. So what we've got, a 515 watt bifacial panel, 800 microinverter, as you expected. What else do you get? Not a lot. But this is a hybrid mount. Does that basically just mean you can put it anywhere? Let's see if the pictures say anything different. Well, the pictures still show it on the floor. That was useful. Oh, no, hang on. For ground ballast required or suitable solid wall mounting only, not suitable for balconies. So much for balcony solar. Yeah, so these are all pretty much the same, I would say. But let's just go and compare this. I mean, Argos do sell the EcoFlow inverter, right? They do. Oh, it's 1C, not 2. I always get that wrong. There it is. So here's your inverter you could get from Argos if you really wanted to. Here's the EcoFlow Stream. There are many others, like Hoy Miles as well. I have one of each. Includes the 5-meter AC cable, 1 meter longer than the other Argos bundles. No plug included. No, you're going to have to put your own plug on, like I did. Oh, but you get the MC4 cable, the extension cables. I did not get mine when I ordered mine off eBay, so you get some value in there. I only paid about £5–10 less on eBay, but you get cables. So that's good. So look at the price, 129. Now, let's go to City Plumbing. Let's look at some panel prices. 465 watt panel, £126, right? Free delivery, because it's over £75. So 126 plus, what do we say? 129, 240, 250, £250. You could have that up and running without the mount, admittedly, but that's more or less just as good. As good. No difference really, unless they're forcing you to buy it because it's not legal in a bundle. They're charging you a ridiculous amount of money. You can even get a cheaper panel if you want. And you can pick these up from your local store if your car or van, obviously your van's all right, but if your car's big enough. Yeah, so here we go. I don't like these myself because I don't like the silver lines on them. But if you're not worried about them, I like an all black panel. They do a JA Solar 465 for £96, including VAT. So the next cheapest I think on here is 126. So you're saving yourself £30 again by going for those JA solar panels from City Plumbing. Yeah, I can't say much more really until I look back at these Argos prices. 849, 599, 989. Yeah, I can't recommend those. To be honest, I wouldn't be worried too much. I would just buy them individually, get the panel delivered, get the inverter. You're just saving so much more money. Just think how much longer that's going to take to pay off or pay back. I mean, at £300, you're talking about a year and a half, 2 years, something like that. That's going to take 5 years or something like that, or more, because it's only one panel. Well, that's one panel, but that's going to take a long time to pay back because you're only going to get 800 watts out of it max. And we're now coming into the winter as well. And you're not going to get these things till October on some of these. They say they're not delivering them till then. Right. Hope you enjoyed that, looking at that. That was a bit of fun. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And of course, leave your comment down below. What do you think about these prices, huh? I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've said that already. See you later.